Oh, and real quick here, this negative doesn't go away. This is definitely positive 5, positive 5, positive 5. Just ignore everything else and think of this as 5 minus 3x, 5 minus 3x, 5 minus 3x. But right here, once you get rid of the 5, this becomes negative 3x, this becomes negative 3x, this becomes negative 3x. Okay, so anyway. Alright, inverse of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. So basically, it's when a number is close to a variable like this, that means you multiply, multiply, multiply. That means it's multiplying by itself. Oh. Okay, so anyway, here you just divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Here you divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Remember, this is for me. I'm just making it kind of simpler and easy for me to understand. Alright, inverse of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. Let me think. So yeah, these two numbers multiply, 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 so you divide, divide, divide. And all that is just inverse of multiply, inverse of multiply, inverse of multiply is divide, is divide, is divide. So reverse of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. And once again, the first tutorial videos are going to take forever, or whenever we're doing something for the first time. All the basic steps, we're going to do it a whole bunch of times, and then later on, we're going to just speed through, or just do it a little faster after we've practiced the basics a lot. Alright, and here is the confusing part. So here, all we had to do is take away the straight lines, take away the straight lines, take away the straight lines. But now we take away the straight lines, take away the straight lines, take away the straight lines, and turn positive 7 to negative 7, positive 7 to negative 7, positive 7 to negative 7. So do everything you did right up here, except the only difference is this is negative 7. Only difference is negative 7. Only difference is negative 7. Only difference is negative 7. So setting inside linear expression to negative 7, basically blah blah blah, remove the brackets and make it negative 7. Remove brackets, negative 7. Remove brackets, negative 7. That's this. Alright, inverse adding 5 is subtract 5. You got 5 right here. We want to get rid of 5. So we're going to subtract 5. 5 is gone. Negative 5, 5 is gone. Negative 5, 5 is gone. Negative 5, 5 is gone. Negative 5 to get rid of 5. Negative 5 to get rid of 5. Negative 5 to get rid of 5. Then this is negative 3x, negative 3x, negative 3x. And this becomes negative 7 minus 5, 12. Negative 7 minus 5, negative 12. Negative 7 minus 5, negative 12. Inverse of multiply 3 is divide by 3. 3 multiplication, 3 multiplication, 3 multiplication, divide by 3, 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 divide by 3. Inverse, inverse, inverse. And then x is by itself, x is by itself, x is by itself. And then bring this down. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4. Negative 12 divided by negative 3 is 4. And I'm going to just read their explanation. When we plug negative 2 over 3 in for x, we end up with the absolute value of 7, which is 7. So basically, if you were to put this in for x, you would end up like with one of these problems. Hold up. Negative 2, 3 for x. Yeah, if you put in negative 2, 3 right here, then you would end up with 7. Put negative 2, 3 right here, you end up with 7. Put negative 2, 3 right here, you end up with 7. So right here, it will be negative 3 times negative 2 over 3. So just put this x in right here, put this x in right here, put this x in right here. And when we plug in 4 for x, we end up with the absolute value of negative 7, which is also 7. So when you put 4 in right here, 4 in right here, 4 in right here, you end up negative 7, negative 7, negative 7. If you have only come up with an answer of x minus 2 to 3, you have not gotten all solutions to this problem. So if you would have only broke it down once, broken down once, that would have been wrong, wrong, wrong. But you broke it down twice because absolute value requires both the positive and negative of this last number. Positive and negative of this last number. Positive and negative of this last number. I forgot what you call this. Is that the constant? I don't remember. Ignore that constant. I have no idea what that is. Again, it is important to note that we are using this definition of absolute value to set the two equations up. Once you definition of absolute value to set the two equations up. Exactly what I just said. I'll just stop the video here.